Are you ready for that 2025 flounder run? Do you need to get up off the couch? Do you like flounder fishing? Or do you just want some tips on how to catch flounder? Be sure and watch the full video I posted on my YouTube channel today. It was an epic day, back-to-back catches. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you on the water.
She can only be good until all that's good is gone, yeah.